Hey, guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can build your personal brand on YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is an excellent platform to showcase your skills and expertise and connect with a global audience. So, let's dive into some tips and strategies that will help you build your personal brand on YouTube. Tip number 1. Define your niche. The first step to building your personal brand on YouTube is to define your niche. This means identifying the topics you're passionate about and creating content around them. By focusing on a specific niche, you'll attract a targeted audience interested in your content. Tip number 2. Create engaging content. Once you've defined your niche, it's time to create engaging content. Your content should be informative, entertaining, and offer value to your viewers. You can use different formats such as tutorials, vlogs, and product reviews to showcase your expertise. Tip number 3. Optimize your videos for SEO. Optimizing your videos for search engines is crucial to building your personal brand on YouTube. This means using relevant titles, descriptions, and tags that include keywords related to your niche. You should also create engaging thumbnails that grab viewers' attention. Tip number 4. Be consistent. Consistency is key to building a successful personal brand on YouTube. Regularly posting new content helps keep your audience engaged and builds anticipation for your next upload. This also helps the YouTube algorithm recognize your channel as a reliable source of content. Tip number 5. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial to building a community around your personal brand. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and holding Q&A sessions can help you connect with your viewers and build a loyal following. Tip number 6. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators is an excellent way to reach new audiences and grow your personal brand on YouTube. You can collaborate on videos, do guest appearances, or cross-promote each other's channels to reach a broader audience. Tip number 7. Stay creative. Staying creative is essential to standing out on YouTube. You can use humor, storytelling, or visual effects to make your content unique and engaging. You can also experiment with different formats and styles to keep your content fresh and exciting. So, those are some tips and strategies for building your personal brand on YouTube. Remember, building a personal brand takes time, effort, and consistency. But by following these tips, you can establish yourself as an expert in your field, connect with a global audience, and build a successful personal brand on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.